Hello, Mrs. Hussie's class. It's Mr. Brady. You remember me? I'm your technology teacher. I hope you guys are having fun in your next special, whatever your next special may be. I'm not sure if you were gym or health, but I hope you're having fun in whatever special you're at. Now, I have our end of the special wrap up I want to share with you. So I'm going to go over our top 5 coders, which you see over here, and I want to talk about some of the things that we did this past cycle together. So for all of the group 5 students, which Mrs. Hussie's class was one of, we coded 39,229 lines of code. If you look really closely, you can see I'm trying to circle it up here. But that is how many lines of code we did in the 5 or 6 weeks we were together. Just amazing. So I also took a picture of out front of my room. So my virtual friends, if you're at home, you can still see, what's going on in the school, and you can see the different people in the different classes and how many lines and what it looks like at my room, even though are unable to be here. So without further ado, I would like to go over the top 5 coders in Mrs. Hussie's class. We'll start with number 5, which was Vadim. Vadim, excellent job. 101 lines of code. Way to go, Vadim. Excuse me. In 4th place, Anthony Palm with 104 lines of code. Just edged out Vadim. Anthony, wonderful job, bud. Number 3, Amir with 116 lines of code. Awesome job, Amir. Our 2nd place is Bryce with 128 lines of code. Bryce, awesome job. All right, and here we go. Our number 1 coder in Mrs. Hussie's class this year was Gavin with exactly 200 lines of code. Ever since we started coding the very first day, Gavin just took off with it and did amazing work. So awesome job, Gavin. And to everyone in the class, our class, Mrs. Hussie's class, coded 2,817 lines as a group. So even if you're not mentioned in the top 5, you still did an amazing job. And I'm so glad I had the chance to have you in class. So have a wonderful time with your next special. If you're ever walking around or you see me at bus duty or in the hallway, make sure you say hi and have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends.